Namaskar, I am Christy from CSMU Connects. Tomorrow we are beginning with 2-day international conference on science and technology for well-being innovation and trends. आज हमारे साथ है डॉक्टर सोनी पाठक मैम, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर एंड हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बेसिक साइंसेज एंड कन्वीनर ऑफ कॉन्फ्रेंस. हेलो मैम.
हेलो एवरीवन. जैसा क्रिस्टी ने बताया, आई एम डॉक्टर सोनी पाठक, HOD डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बेसिक साइंस. आई एम डिलाइटेड दैट आवर डिपार्टमेंट इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग 2-day इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस on science and technology for well-being, innovation and trends in hybrid mode on 1st and 2nd November 2025 in association with CSIR CIRI, Pilani, Rajasthan and NITR, Chandigarh. When we associate with institutions like NITR and CSIR CIRI, we enable publications and interdisciplinary projects and also expertise association. In our conference, we have 6 speakers, 4 are national and 2 are international speakers. National speakers are associated with NITR, CSIR CIRI, and international speakers we have Professor Ivan Halim Saputra. He is associate professor at Petra Christian University, Indonesia. And second international speaker we have Dr. Ivan Castillo. He is researcher at Puerto Rico, San Juan, USA. We have keynote speaker Professor Dr. Rakesh Vats. He is a head and professor Media Engineering Department, NITR. Also we have a keynote speaker Dr. Poonam Chand Pancharia. He is the director of CSIR CIRI. And we have one more keynote speaker, Dr. Nitin Kalia from NIPER, Hyderabad, and Dr. Manoj Tripathi from JP Institute of Information and Technology. So I am very much delightful and very much honored that we have collaboration with national and international institutions as well as speakers.
तो मैम हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे जो 2-day इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस है उसमें नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल बेस पे कितने लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है.
We have around 180 participants are there from national and international. Out of 180 we have 68 paper presenter are there and they will join the presentation online as well as offline.
मैम जो डेलीगेट्स ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं उनको CSMU की तरफ से क्या मैसेज है.
As being an organizer, we look forward to insightful discussions, inspiring keynote addresses, as well as innovative presentations, which will contribute to society as well as human well-being.
सो मैम इस कॉन्फ्रेंस का मेन आइडिया क्या है.
The conference has been designed to provide platform for researchers, innovators, industrialists and academicians so that they come together and share their ideas, innovations and knowledge for the betterment of society, for the sustainable development as well as societal advancement. With these words, I wish you all the best for all the participants.
This is Bobby signing off. Keep watching CSMU Connect.